Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen, and this time we're making an omelet. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, I got my stovetop on medium-high heat. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. While that's preheating, we're going to crack some eggs. Now, I'm using 3 eggs. To me, they're supposed to be large, but to me, these are probably mediums. Use as many or as few or however you want to do it as you like. Go ahead, crack some eggs. Now, I'm going to put a splash of milk in this. It's really hard for me to tell you how much. I just kind of eyeball it, to be honest. About that much. Take a fork. Get it good and mixed up. If you're trying to watch your cholesterol, if you're just trying to lose a few pounds and you want to use egg whites, it works with egg whites too. Gonna go ahead, let the pan heat up. Okay, our pan's pretty well preheated. I took some paper towels. I'm gonna spread the oil around a little bit more. Go. Dump our eggs in there. Now I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. You don't have to do this. It's all up to you. We're going to let that just sit there and cook for a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Just go around the edges a little bit. I want to try to make sure this stays kind of loose. Well, if you tear it, don't worry about it too much. It'll be alright. Try a smaller one. There we go. Okay. Now you're going to get yourself a plate. Slide it on like that. Then we're going to flip it. There you go. Now this is just some diced ham I got at the Walmart. It's about the cheapest way I could find ham, to be honest. Take some ham. Now you can add mushrooms, green peppers, onions, whatever, you know. Maybe some spinach. whatever you want. This is just some leftover cheese from another recipe I made. There we go. Leave that set, I don't know, about a minute or two. Just remember, when you're doing this, do this at medium heat. If it's too low, it'll take forever to cook, and if it's too high, you'll get like big bubbles in it when it's cooking.